Good morning students. Today we are learn merits of written communication. Last lecture we are learn some methods of written communication. First we are learn for merits. First, accurate and precise. Written communication is usually drafted with a great care. Since written communication is open to verification and it is authenticities can be easily challenged. Changes, the communicators has to be accurate and factual. Always written communication is required accurate and factual. The written communication. Second one, read many times. The receiver of a written communication can go over the message at any time again in the futures. Then one time, two times, three times, 10 times, 100 times, etc. He can reread till he think he has properly understand it. It is a written communication, it is reread in many times, not only one times in oral communication is the only one times are there, but the written communication is the reread many times. Next merits is permanent record. Written communication become a permanent records of the organization and can prove very useful for future reference. They are the permanent record. We are stored in the so many years that documents and written communication letters etc. But here it proved very useful for the future reference. That is the one merits of the written communication. It's a permanent record. Documentary evidence. Another is the documentary evidence. Written communication is acceptable as a legal document and as a legal evidence also. There is also using for the one of the proof evidence that is using for this written communication. That's a we are learned that 4 point accurate and precise, read read many times, permanent records, document evidence. Another ones we are learn here, we are completed therefore one accurate presence, read many times, permanent record and documentary evidence. And another one is wide access. Written communication is the best challenge of communication for conveying information to person living at a different place. That is also one are here. It is a wide access. That is written communication is the best challenge of communication. It is the best challenge of communication for conveying information to person living in the different place. We are going for that different places, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, whatever are here. We have sent that written message here. But oral communication only say in the one places are there. Another ones are no need for personal contract. It is not necessary for both a party to be available at the time of communication. It is because under this form of communication, message can be sent to the concerned person, which can be read when the receiver gets spare time. That is also the one of the merits of the communication. No need for personal contact is the necessary. That the is the written communication. Another one is completeness. Written messages are prepared with perfect knowledge of the things concerns the matter. So there is a completeness in the message. The message is required the complete because it's not a perfect face to face communication are there. It is a sent for the another persons are also. Therefore, written communication prepared for the perfect knowledge of thinking concerns the matter. So, there is a completeness in the message. Another ones are economically. If the receivers of the messages is at a far away place, then this method is economical as the postals and courier charges are quite nominal. Nowadays, email are more popular methods of a written communication. It's a very economically, there is not required for the so many money or wastage are there. Is a economically it received this message at the far away or so place that Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi, otherwise other country also. This method is economically the postal and courier services are there, and that messages are the quickly sendings are here. Nowadays, the email are more popular method for the return communication. Is the return communications are here. There is a one we are learned today here some merits of the return communication. First merit we are learned here accurate and precise. Means that message return communication is usually drafted in carrying are here the return communication is open to verifications and the authentic care of the easily changes and the communication can be accurate and factual. जब भी आप रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन लिखोगे तो वो कैसा होना चाहिए एक्यूरेट और फैक्चुअल होना चाहिए इसमें कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक या कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए एक्चुअल एंड परफेक्ट ही होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट हमने देखा है रीड मेनी टाइम. उसको हम कितनी भी टाइम पे रीड कर सकते हैं. ए मेनी टाइम्स वी कैन रीड इट. परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड ये हमेशा के लिए आपके पास रहेगा. आप फ्यूचर में भी उसका यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट इज़ अ परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड. डॉक्यूमेंटरी एविडेंस ये एक लेटर है उस डॉक्यूमेंट्स की तरह एक एविडेंस की प्रूफ की तरह आप कोर्ट में भी उसे पेश कर सकते हो. ये आपके लिए एक प्रूफ रहेगा कि आपको किसी ने ये इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. और वाइड एसेस ये चैलेंजिंग है. दिस कन्वेज द इंफॉर्मेशन पर्सन लिविंग इन द डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. एक ही लेटर को हम कहीं पे भी हम सेंड कर सकते हैं. इज़ अ वाइड एसेस. नो नीड फॉर द पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट. इसके लिए किसी को पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डोंट मीट फॉर द फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन. यहाँ पे फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होगा. ये रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन से आपको कोई भी मैसेज भेजना है आप किसी से के भी हाथ में ये मैसेज आप भेज सकते हो. नीड नॉट फॉर द पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट हियर. कंप्लीटनेस. मैसेज जो भी आपका रहेगा वो कंप्लीट रहेगा. रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन में कोई भी बात इनकम्प्लीट नहीं रहेगी. उसमें हर मैसेज कैसा रहेगा आपका कंप्लीट. इट मस्ट बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द कंप्लीट मैसेज. इकोनॉमिकली ये कंपेयर टू पोस्टल सर्विस कुरियर सर्विस आपको कुछ लेटर भेजना है तो उसके लिए क्विकली आप नॉमिनल रेट पे जा सकता है. लेकिन आप ईमेल के थ्रू भी आप ये मैसेज भेज सकते हो और ये बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकली रहेगा. इसमें बहुत ही कम खर्च में आप अपना मैसेज किसी को भी सेंड कर सकते हो. ईमेल, वर्कशॉप, फेसबुक एक्सेट्रा वी आर यूजिंग different website and we are send your message to any other person. That's we are learned today here merits of written communication. Thank you students.